Credit card accounts track the balances of business credit cards. You should create a credit card account in QuickBooks Online for each business credit card account. To create a credit card account in QuickBooks Online, click the Settings button in the QuickBooks Online toolbar, and then click the Chart of Accounts link under the Your Company heading in the drop-down menu to open the Chart of Accounts window. Then click the New Account button in the upper right corner of the Chart of Accounts window to open a New Account pane at the right side of the window. Enter the account's name into the Account Name field. If account numbering is enabled, you can enter an account number into the Account Number field. Then, select Credit Card from the Account Type dropdown. If needed, to enter an opening balance and starting date, enter the opening balance into the Opening Balance field and select the date of the opening balance amount from the As Of field. If desired to learn more about opening balances, click the More Info on Opening Balances link. Optionally, to enter an account description, type it into the Description field. A New Account Preview section at the bottom of the pane shows how the account will appear within its financial report. To finish creating the credit card account, click the Save button in the lower right corner of the New Account pane. Alternatively, to save the credit card account and then create another new account, click the drop-down to the right of this button and choose the Save and New command instead. Remember to click the subscribe button to see more of our videos. See our full suite of courses, instruction manuals, and quick reference guides at www.teachucomp.com.